These are the 9 highest dividend-paying stocks in the S&P 500 according to money.usnews.com that all offer a 6+% yield. Starting us off at number 9 is Verizon VZ. It has a 6.1% yield, and the TSA 1 year is 51.7, which is a 24% increase over today. Other analysts are thinking 47.64 on average, which is a 14% increase over today. We put the risk for Verizon as low. We put the reward as medium. Verizon for us is going to be a strong buy. Number 8 is United Parcel Service, UPS. They offer a 6.6% dividend yield right now. The TSA 1 year for UPS is 114.75, which is a 15% upside. Other analysts are thinking 112.37, which is a 13% upside. We put the risk as low. We put the reward as medium. UPS for us is a buy. The valuation slump right now does seem to be bottoming out. It's not as low as it once was, so it does have some more downside potential, but we see that kind of leveling out here, and it leaves a lot of upside with AI integration should the hype start to really pick UPS up again. And at number 7, we have Altria Group, MO. They have a 6.9% dividend yield. The TSA 1 year for this is 48.6, which is an 18% decline over today. Other analysts are also thinking it's going to decline by 4% to 56.86. We put the risk as medium and the reward as low. For us, MO is going to be a sell. The TTM EPS projection is forecasted to continue to fall in the near future and then pick up, but we probably won't see that for another year or two. 6 is Ford Motor Company, or F. They have a 7% yield right now, which is historically high for them. It's usually been around 5. The TSA 1 year for Ford is 10.89, which is a 5% increase, and the analyst 1 year for Ford is 9.71, which is a 7% decrease. The risk for Ford is pretty low. The reward is also pretty low. That makes it pretty fairly valued, but we like it as a hold because of its consistent dividend history. I mean, the 7% dividend's not going to stick around, but 5% will, and its EPS, just like MO, is also projected to decline slightly in the near future and then pick up. Number 5 is Alexandria Equities, ARE. They have a 7.1% yield right now, and the TSA 1 year is 83.25, or a 17% increase. The analyst 1 year for ARE is 94.88, which is a 33% increase. We put the risk as high, we put the reward as high. ARE for us is going to be a hold right now, just because nobody really has a good idea of where their EPS is going to go in the near term, which does increase their risk, but it also increases their opportunity. So it's a very high risk, high reward play right now. Number 4 is Pfizer PFE. They have a staggering 7.5% dividend yield. The TSA 1 year for Pfizer is $32, which is a 33% increase. Other analysts are bullish, but not quite as bullish as us at $27.69, which is a 15% upside. We put the risk as medium, the reward is medium, so it's going to be a hold just because it has good valuation, but it does have uncertain EPS projections. Number 3 is Walgreens Boots Alliance, WA. They have an 8.9% yield. No point in buying this one. It's being bought out for $11.45 a share right now, so we actually don't have a rating for this. And at number 2, we have LyondellBasell, LYB. They have a 9.1% dividend yield. The TSA 1 year for LYB is 67.5, which is a 13% upside. Other analysts are saying 15% upside at 67.69. The risk is medium, the reward is medium. We put it as a hold. The EPS growth is lagging but projected to recover, and I think the valuation's fair. And lastly, at number 1, we have Dow Inc., DOW. It has an insane 9.3% yield. The TSA 1 year for DOW is 34.2, which is a 16% upside, and other analysts are saying an 8% upside. The risk is medium, the reward is medium. We put the rating as a hold. It has a very high dividend yield. It's not sustainable. Usually anything over 5 isn't, especially not 9%, but we do think this is a good one to hold and possibly buy if it continues to fall. Pretty solid dividend history there as well. And that's our list for today. If you guys want to check out the 10 best stocks to buy right now according to the Globe and Mail, go check out this video right here. Otherwise, thanks for watching.